Now, another storage video, but this time related to PS5 storage. So thank you to Western Digital for providing this WD Black SN850P NVMe SSD. It's a game drive. It has a pretty solid heat sink as well, and we have the 2TB version. So what we'll do is we'll unbox it. Not that there's really much to unbox, but you can see what's inside and the size of it and so on. And then we will show the installation, which is quite easy to do for the PS5, and then give our review and speed test and so on. So it doesn't have to be just used in a PS5, it can be used in a PC or so on, but it is marketed at PS5 and for gaming because of that heatsink. So if you do want to get it for a laptop, just make sure that it will fit, because it's a little bit thicker given that it has the heatsink. So a bit about it before I get into the unboxing. It has read performance 7300 megabytes per second, write is 6300. As it says, it's the random read and write are 800 and 1100K IOPS, and it comes with 5-year warranty. The operating temp is 0 to 85 degrees, and these are just stats, but it is should have mentioned this earlier, it's in the 2280 form factor. So make sure if you're going to get it for a laptop, that your laptop isn't one that's a smaller form factor like 2230, 2242. This is 2280. So let's check it out. You open it. What do you get? This is it. It opens like that. Oh, okay. And there is the SSD itself. Wow. See, as you can see, it is much larger than your normal SSD given the heat sink. So that's for cooling, obviously, and made for those gamers that want that extra heat sink. Yeah, it is chunky. So if you are going to get it for a laptop, really make sure, look how thick it is as opposed to your normal SSD size. But there it is, cute little SSD, WD Black with the PlayStation. And then my favorite little book from WD, which is like the newspaper. It just folds out into a much bigger piece of paper that explains, I don't even know because I haven't read it, but anyway, you get the point. That's the unboxing. That's pretty much it. You have your little piece of paper there, well, big piece of paper, and then the SSD just sits in there like that. And that's pretty much it. So we'll explain the installation and then give our thoughts, reviews, and also speed test. Now, installing it is fairly easy. Sony have made it easy to be done. You literally just uncover the back of the PlayStation. There is a little screw. You make sure that it is the right size that you're putting it in, and then the screw goes accordingly there. So this video is from Sony themselves, just explaining how it can be done. So very easily able to upgrade from the internal storage to the 2TB. So definitely recommend doing it because it's so easy. As I previously mentioned, if you are going to put it in a laptop, make sure that it fits in terms of thickness, because it is a bit chunky given the size of the heatsink. But again, same process with replacing it when you're doing a laptop replacement. Just make sure the battery's unplugged, find the right spot, and just put it in. That's pretty much it. So that's how it goes for installation. Okay, now it comes to performance. So it says it will get 7,300 read, and our testing got almost 7,100 read, so not far off at all. So just as we expected, which is incredibly fast. And the write was almost 5,200 megabytes per second. And then we have the different RND 4K scores. But again, that's incredible speed. If you really are looking to not only increase the storage of your device, but increase the speed and make sure everything is running much faster and smoother, and this definitely is the way to go. So yeah, there is a lot to like about this. The installation is super easy. The read and write times are incredible, and it comes with the WD 5-year warranty, which obviously it's one of the most reputable brands. Not only do you have that peace of mind, but the warranty as well. So if you're looking to add storage, to increase storage, and to know be safe and secure, then this is definitely the way to go. It's one of the top of the line, and you don't have to worry about fiddling with your own heatsink it just has it in itself. So highly recommend this. Hope this was helpful to just give you a bit of an overview of what this device, well, this storage can do for your device. So let us know if you have any questions below. Otherwise, if you have any more reviews that you'd like, feel free to request them. Otherwise, there's a heap more storage, SSDs, HDDs all over the channel that I've been reviewing. So feel free to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.